Love using a bandsaw. Changing blades is easy, but man, folding that blade up for storage, not so much. Well, you ain't got to dress up for combat because you ain't really fighting spider monkey zombies here. It's an easy process to try to fold that up. Let me show you how.
So a quick, easy way to get your blade folded up ready for storage. Lay it just like this. Put your thumb and fingers on the behind the teeth so you're not getting cut. Gently put your foot down on the blade like that. And as you begin to bend your sides forward, what you'll notice is the top wants to curl back. Well, as it curls back, what you want to do is allow it to do so. And while it's curling back, your sides want to cross over. Again, allow them to do so. So in one simple, smooth motion, you fold it in, and it comes out just like this. So real simple, real easy way to store your blades. Keeps them safe and ready to go for the next time.